For many Austin homeowners, life moves fast. Between work, family, and enjoying everything the city has to offer, the last thing you want is a home feature that demands constant upkeep. That's why low-maintenance replacement doors have become an increasingly popular choice. They provide durability, style, and performance without adding to your to-do list. Your entry and patio doors are used every day and exposed to the elements year-round. In Austin's climate, that means intense sun, heat, and occasional storms. Choosing the right low-maintenance door can help you avoid frequent repairs while keeping your home looking great and functioning efficiently. One of the biggest advantages of modern replacement doors is the materials used. Fiberglass and steel doors are among the most popular low-maintenance options for Austin homeowners. Fiberglass doors are designed to resist warping, cracking, and fading, even under strong sunlight. They can also mimic the look of wood without requiring regular staining or sealing. Steel doors, on the other hand, offer excellent durability and strength, with finishes that hold up well against wear and weather. Unlike traditional wood doors, which often require ongoing maintenance to prevent damage, these modern materials are built to last with minimal care. A simple cleaning routine is usually enough to keep them looking new, making them ideal for busy households. Another key benefit is resistance to weather-related wear. Austin's heat and UV exposure can cause some materials to fade or deteriorate over time. Low-maintenance replacement doors are designed with protective finishes that resist sun damage, helping maintain their color and appearance for years. This means you won't have to worry about repainting or refinishing as often. Energy efficiency is another important feature that adds both comfort and convenience. Many low-maintenance doors are built with insulated cores and tight seals that help regulate indoor temperatures. In Austin's warm climate, this helps keep cool air inside and reduces the strain on your air conditioning system. The result is a more comfortable home and potential savings on energy bills, without requiring extra effort from you. Sealing and weather stripping also contribute to their low-maintenance appeal. High-quality replacement doors are designed to prevent drafts and moisture from entering your home. This reduces the risk of issues like water damage or mold, which can lead to costly repairs if left unchecked. A properly sealed door helps maintain a stable indoor environment with minimal upkeep. Security is another area where modern doors excel. Reinforced frames, strong materials, and advanced locking systems provide reliable protection without requiring frequent adjustments or repairs. For homeowners in Austin, this added peace of mind is an important benefit that doesn't come with extra maintenance. Low-maintenance replacement doors also offer a wide range of design options. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern look or a more traditional style, there are plenty of choices available. From bold colors to decorative glass inserts, you can customize your door to match your home's aesthetic while still enjoying the convenience of easy care. Patio doors can also be upgraded with low-maintenance features. Sliding glass doors with durable frames and smooth tracks require minimal attention while providing easy access to outdoor spaces. Many modern designs include features that resist dirt buildup and ensure long-lasting performance. Professional installation plays a key role in keeping maintenance low. A properly installed door fits securely, operates smoothly, and maintains its seal over time. This prevents issues that could lead to additional upkeep, such as misalignment or air leaks. Working with experienced installers ensures your door performs as intended from the start. Another advantage is long-term value. Because low-maintenance doors are built to last, they reduce the need for repairs, replacements, and ongoing care. This makes them a cost-effective investment for homeowners who want to simplify home maintenance while still improving their property. Ultimately, low-maintenance replacement doors are about making your life easier. They combine durability, efficiency, and style in a way that supports your busy lifestyle without sacrificing quality. For Austin homeowners, Upgrading to a low-maintenance door means spending less time on upkeep and more time enjoying your home. With the right materials and professional installation, you can enjoy a beautiful, secure, and efficient entryway that works for you, day after day, year after year.